All right, Unit 11, Lesson 2. Question number 1 and 2 say find the values of x and y. So in question number 1, I see that I have a diameter going from E over to D, and so these two angles would be supplementary. They would add to 180. So I could easily find angle x by doing 180 minus 121, and I get 59 for that. So this is 59. And then we learned a rule in class that is the average of these arcs will give me that inside angle. And so I could say y plus 42 divided by 2 should equal 59. And that's how you're going to solve for y. Make sure you finish that one up. So over here, again, the average of these two arcs should give me this. So we have expressions here instead of just numbers, but I can still use the same idea. So 2x plus 7 plus 19x plus 5 divided by 2 should give me 12x minus 3. So on the left-hand side, this whole thing is divided by 2. If I want to get rid of that, I would multiply both sides by 2. So I'm going to multiply by 2 over here, and I'm going to multiply by 2 over here. And so the left-hand side is just going to be the same thing, but you can combine like terms. So 21x plus 12 equals, and over here, this looks like an exponent, but really it's a 2 in front of here, so I'm going to distribute 12x, nope, 24x, hold on, sorry, 24x minus 6. And I'm going to leave that for you to solve. The other two are pretty easy, so you're going to work from there. Number 3 and 4 finish on your own.